It's the blizzard of 2011. It's 2:30 in the morning. Probably the hardest I've seen it come down ever since we've lived up here. Expecting about 18 inches. See the fire plug down here? It's about halfway covered. It's beautiful though. It's so windy though. The car's not even covered because it's just blowing it right off. Let's see how much is out here. Whoa! Can't even see. It's up past my boots. Can't even see where the sidewalk and the steps start. Whoa! Jeez Louise. Very deep. You can see just how deep that is. Wow. Alright, we'll see how it looks tomorrow.